Sunflowers are one of the most popular flower tattoos because they are unique in composition and design. They come in a variety of styles that are perfect to suit any preference or skin tone. The vibrant and cheerful blooms can be incorporated into any tattoo design, making them a popular choice for those looking for something different. Here in this video, we are going to share some sunflower tattoo concepts with you. I hope you will enjoy all these tattoo suggestions. So let's start the video. Back sunflower tattoo. Sunflowers are the epitome of elegance and femininity, with their delicate petals and captivating petals. These blooms epitomize elegance and sophistication. The imagery of sunflowers has been used as a motif for tattoos for centuries now, and we are not surprised. If this flower is drawn on the back of us, then it will be something special. Sunflower tattoos on the back will match best if you are a girl. Most girls keep their upper back open while they are outside. In that case, these sunflowers on their back part will be visible. You may pick one from the video. There are so many back tattoos with sunflowers. Sunflower tattoos on shoulder. The shoulder is an ideal placement for any tattoo with circular elements. That's because curved lines match the natural shape of your shoulder. Sunflowers and other floral designs look great on your shoulder for that reason. Your artist can design your inking so that it follows your collarbone and extends down your arm to create a half sleeve. Here are some of the most popular and unique tattoo concepts for you with sunflower. If we want to draw a tattoo with sunflower in it, then you may choose from here. These are only on the shoulder. Hip sunflower tattoo. In this part of the video, you're watching some beautiful and sexy hip tattoos that are drawn with sunflowers. If you want something feminine and sexy, look no further than a sunflower tattoo on your hip. The design will look absolutely incredible during the summer months when you are able to wear a swimsuit. It is worth noting, however, that you should avoid doing the tattoo right on the hip bone, as it is an extremely sensitive area. Sleeve sunflower tattoo. An entire sleeve consisting of a sunflower tattoo is not for the faint of heart. However, if you are already inked up and just love the gorgeous design, there is no reason not to go for it. You may still go for it and draw one there. Whether you draw that on a small or big, you have to draw that if you like. People like sunflower tattoos to draw on the different parts of their bodies. In that sense, they draw it on sleeve too. Some people call it sleeve and some call it forearm or arm. Whatever you call it, you should go for it if you want to decorate your sleeves with some sunflower tattoos. Small sunflower tattoo. Small tattoos are ideal for your first inking or if you prefer a minimal and discreet piece of body art. You can adapt small tattoos for almost any part of your body, like your hand or behind your ear. One option for a small sunflower tattoo is your wrist. Its subtle standouts and will start conversations. As I said, you have the right to draw small tattoos on any part of your body. So you may select any part of your body to draw that. There are so many designs too for small sunflower tattoos. We are trying to present them in this part of video. You have the right to select one from the video and draw that on your body. Realistic sunflower tattoo. Realistic tattoos can be tricky to perfect, but a skilled artist can render your design correctly. Be sure to bring a photo for reference. To give your sunflower tattoo an even more feel-like look, make sure the design has angles, movement, light, and shadow. Realistic colors are also essential, so don't go too bright or too dark. These realistic tattoos are costly to portray. If you want, you may draw one. They will increase your beauty many times. I hope you will enjoy it. Watch the video for more clear ideas. Sunflower daisy tattoo. Daisies represent innocence and purity, while sunflower symbolizes devotion and joy. For that reason, many women have a sunflower and daisy design inked for a special child in their life, their son or daughter, a niece or nephew, or a godchild. On the other hand, the sunflower and daisy tattoo can act as a connection to the wearer's child, commemorating a time when they were innocent and carefree. That was all for today. I hope you find this video helpful to get some ideas on high quality and unique sunflower tattoos. If you think this video helps you a lot, then you should like this video and subscribe to our channel. There are some more videos on this site. You may watch them too. Bye for today.